Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you a trade review, a market review of the trade I caught on Friday. Um, it was an awesome price action, so I have to share with you guys so some of you can learn from it and you can implement that on your trading. So I caught a trade on Eurjpy and GBPJPY, kind of like the same market scenario because sometimes these pairs move correlatedly. So let me just take this up. So I start by looking out on the daily chart. Since it's a day trade, basic time frame to start with is the daily chart. Sometimes I look at the weekly, but when I looked at the daily charts, I was seeing the market here. The market just opened, but this was the Thursday candle. So since this was the Thursday candle, the market has taken out some highs during the Thursday, and then at the open of uh, Friday, it has taken out the high of Thursday. So I'm like, oh, if the market has taken out the high of Thursday and is rejecting heavily, high chances that the market is going to sell. So when I saw that, then I had to look at the 4 hours chart. So when I looked at the 4 hours chart too, the market was giving a very popular failure pattern here. Since it took out all the highs, I was getting a serious drop down from sellers, and the market is giving signs that it wants to sell. So seeing that, I'm like, oh, this market is going to sell and it's a high probability trade. So as an experienced trader, what I'm supposed to do, what I do, I come down to the hourly chart to look out for entry. All right, I look out for entries on the 1 hourly chart. So back then the market was around here at the close of the last 4 hour candle. So normally I used to tell you the market gives us this kind of movement, lower low, lower high structure. So I had to reference a level to get my entry on the 1 hour chart, and you can see I drew here as my entry region, and then I drop the price. I draw my focus down that the market is going to come for this lows and maybe around those price around the 143.200, and the market just retraced, trigger my trade, and it was awesomely delivered to the price target I was waiting for. And the same kind of setup on GBPJPY too. um, let me remove this. So if you look at the daily chart too, the market has taken the highs and giving us a weak candle on Thursday, trying to retrace. So it's kind of like forming higher high, higher low structure even on the daily chart. On the 4 hours chart too, you can see the pattern here, kind of like a double top pattern and a failure pattern. So that's a failure swing in price to continue higher high, higher low. It's a break in market structure too. I talk about in binary. The market structure is all the same. It works like that. That is how they deliver the price. So on the 1 hour chart too, I had to reference my entry, and this is the result of the trade setup. So this was where I referenced my entry. I'm going to enter the trade. The market retrace got there, pinpoint accuracy, and then it came for the lows here and the price, the key levels here. That was where the price got delivered. So it was a beautiful trade, and I posted it too on my Telegram community. If you're not my Telegram community, do also check out the link in the description of this video to make sure you join. I post my updates about binary, about Forex, about the market in general, or some tips that you need to have every day that will keep you going in the financial industry. So this is the before and after chart of the British pound yen. You can see my entry where I referenced the market just go delivered and then heavily drop down. Imagine you catching this kind of signal, you can make a lot of percentage in your account. You can make so much percentage of your account just in a day. And look at my live execution in Forex. All right, you can see the live execution in Forex. Uh, when I took the trade too, I took a screenshot of it, and you can see how it awesomely delivered to the low. The market went further down lower, and I've even increased my take profit, but it's all the same thing. Sometimes you leave money on the table for others to take. This one is for the Eurjpy too. Beautiful price action on Friday. So my expectation for this guy coming in next week, looking at the weekly chart, the markets actually bought, and then this was just a rejection. The sell I caught on Friday was just a rejection. It was the close of the weekly chart. So the market is like kind of like in a range on the weekly chart here, but once I see Monday, Tuesday movement, I'm gonna know if the market is likely to come up for these highs or maybe retrace down a little. Same thing for this guy on Eurjpy too. Looking at the weekly chart, we had some buys. The market go ahead. I think Eurjpy it's more clear. We're likely to see a drop down maybe around the size since the market maybe wants to go higher high, higher low. We could see a drop down maybe Monday, Tuesday. The market could sell, and then from Wednesday midweek reversal to Thursday, Friday buys. That is if sellers are strong, because from the weekly chart, it's bullish. So we could just see a little drop down, and then the market come for the highs around the 148.450, around here for the next week price action. This is what I might be looking out for. So we hope the September moves. August was not really trending, but we hope September gives us a plethora of opportunities. I think it should. It's already moving, so it's going to give us a lot of opportunities to catch. Okay, so one thing about my setup, if you observe most of my forex trades, is always like this: retracement, enter, and join. I usually wait for the trend. So I'm more of a seller than a buyer in this market. Now I'm going to tell you why. The market drops faster than it buys. Now, for example, look at USD CHF. I was monitoring this pair throughout the week. I was trying to catch these sales around here, but the market just opened, and then you can see it dropped heavily. Look at how many days it took the market to get to this level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 to 6 days it took the market to go to this high. Right? Now, how many days the market go back to the low? Just 3 days. So look at how many days the market took to buy. Look at how many days it took to sell. So one thing about this financial market is that the market moves up with hope, and then it drops down with fear. And fear is more powerful in this market. That is the psychology behind this financial market. The market rises with hope. People hope that okay, the market will keep on going up. Market will keep on going, just like Bitcoin. People are hopeful that the market will keep on going up. But all of a sudden, how many months it took Bitcoin to drop heavily? About 1 month, Bitcoin dropped down to 19k. So I'm more of a seller than a buyer. It's not that I don't buy. If I see a clear signal for buys, I would buy the market. Buy more of a seller. I always look out for uh, good sell signals in the market. And you can see this trade I took here on Eurjpy is about 1:2 risk to reward. It's about 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and I advise always trade with minimum 1:2, 1:3 ratio. So my stop loss was around exactly 25 pips. The market didn't even go 10 pips against me. The market didn't even go 10 pips against me. My stop loss was exactly 25 pips, and then my take profit was about 50 or around 50-60 pips. Yeah, okay, let me zoom in. So yes, my stop loss around 25 pips for my entry, and yeah, that's my entry, and then it was around about 50 pips. Yeah, I was targeting 50, but I targeted the low 143.200, and you can see that was like 3.21. That was like 1:3 risk to reward. So once you trade with this kind of setup, even if you have a losing trade, the day you're going to win more than the previous loss. You're going to recover back your losses. So that's the best money management for trading forex. So like I said, do out to join the Telegram community to always get update from me. You can see the before and after setup on this trade. Do out to check them out. And then, like I said, if it's the first time on my channel, do out to click the subscribe button. This channel will do videos about binary option and forex trading and how to make money online generally. If that interests you, do all to click the subscribe button. Check out some of my videos. I have a lot of wonderful content here. And secondly, my broker, the link is in the description of this video. If you want to sign up for the broker, I use Light Finance. It's a very fast and reliable broker. The withdrawals are fast. You can use USDT to fund and withdraw. You can use different deposit and withdrawal methods. Do all to check out the link in the description of my video if you want to start using that broker. That's the broker I use currently. They are very, very reliable. All right, so hope you find this video insightful. Till I come your way next week, I wish you all good luck and good trading. Peace. Bye for now.